You expect something to be there: support, ideas, opportunities. But when the moment comes, there is almost nothing. Not zero, but not enough to matter. That kind of emptiness is more dangerous than absence, because something should be there, but it is not. English has a word for this quiet shortage: dearth. Dearth means a serious lack of something that is needed or expected. The pronunciation, dearth. It is a short, one syllable word said quickly and clearly. Dearth. The grammatical nature. It is a noun. We use dearth when something exists in such a small amount that it creates a problem. It often appears when there is not enough support, not enough skill, not enough ideas. For example, there's a dearth of leadership in the organization. People are there, but a strong leadership is missing. So the system feels weak. The second example, the discussion suffered from a dearth of real insight. People spoke, but nothing meaningful was said. So the conversation lacked value. In short, dearth means not enough when it matters most. Dearth is not just about something missing, it's about having too little of something where it is needed. That's why it is important. Use it when there is some, but not enough, and that causes a big problem.